That's good.
Okay, I know there's like bones in here, but
This is good.
this is worth
It's
it.
bomb. This is amazing.
Okay, so no longer small. I added actually 2 extra tablespoons. She used 4 tablespoons of. She said 2 to 4 tablespoons of chili flakes, and I was like, how about 7?
Why does it have to make that sound every time?
Real effervescent kimchi.
Peter, you're not invited to dinner. Sorry. No, no, no. You're not invited. Get the spice. The kinako has kind of a almost peanut butter like taste. This would be definitely a lot better with green onions. So if you have it on hand, I think more people eat this with green onion from just seeing on Instagram, but still really good without it. If I'm eating this entirely wrong, please let me know. Why does this only happen when I'm filming? We have some leftover fish stock. This is something Bona made. It's 10 medium-sized anchovies, onion, some kelp, garlic, and boiled down, made a bunch. So this is what's left over, plus a little bit more. So I'm actually meal prepping this for tomorrow. Bona and Jason always talked about how the soup tastes so much better the next day, so we just decided to start making it in advance. I also like to add like a little bit of gochujang. I don't think Bona or Jason typically do that, but I like the way it makes it taste. I've got a zucchini here that's looking a little sad, so I like to do maybe like that thick, like I guess the size of my finger. I also learned this trick, I think through Bona, using enoki mushrooms. Just take the package and you like cut it across like that. And you can just fill it with water and just kind of squish it. Okay. I have some tofu here that was in my freezer that I'm thawing. You know how sometimes your fridge will freeze things if it's like too high up? Something's too high up in the fridge. I had a few times in college when that would happen and I thought that the tofu was just like ruined. I was like, it's frozen, the texture's gonna be all weird, look how spongy it is, gotta throw it out. And so I'm pretty sure I threw away a few tofu back in the day. And then I learned how to cook tofu so that it's like really chewy and like absorbs marinades. We'll actually put it in the freezer so that it becomes a little bit more spongy. You gotta squeeze the moisture out and then it sucks in more of the moisture back up. I only had frozen tofu. I've never used it in like a soup like this before, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm supposed to put tofu in here too. Jason always tells us to use a bigger pot. More. Okay. Mayday! Should have used a big pot. Looks beautiful. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Wait. Ooh. There we go. Excellent. Wow. Thank you, Bona.
Yum. We needed this.
Even the egg is perfect.
7 minutes and then put it in the fridge for a while.
It's like kind of jelly-like. But like the whites aren't too soft.
I threw away the vanilla. Because it was slimy.
No!
Some of the spinach, also slimy.
No!
I threw away the cherry tomatoes because they were squishy.
No!
This is like red beans and rice, but Korea's version. A little bit of vinegar on it.
You're getting sharp. You're getting sharp. You're getting sharp. So good. You're so good. Peter. Peter bird?